Hey, I got an easy trick and a tutorial today, so here we go. Got a deck of cards, which I'll take and set on the table. Okay, so I haven't looked at any of the cards. Let's get rid of the box. Okay, now what I would do is I would cut somewhere in the deck, and I would take this card off, and I would show it to the camera. And this is the card we're going to try to find, okay? So let's put these back on top. So we'll take this card, and now we will give it a cut to the center somewhere, okay? So now it's buried somewhere inside that deck, okay? And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it upside down. I'm just gonna start giving some cuts, okay? Different spots. Okay, that's probably enough. So now, I know after a little bit of magic, your card, after all those cuts, I know your card is in the 6th position. So let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was your card for the first time? The Ace of Hearts? I hope it was. Hope you enjoyed the trick. All right, so let me show you how the trick works. And there is a little bit of a setup, and I'll show you right now. So let me put the ace back in. All right, so if you look at the bottom of the deck, there's a setup, ace through king, and the ace is on the bottom, king goes up next to the deck. Now this is just random cards, even though they're not very well shuffled, a lot of red and black, not mixed up very well, but here's the key. So this is it, okay? So if you have that setup, so again, you have it in the box, and you're basically saying, I'm not looking at the cards at all. You just got a deck of cards. How would I know where anything is? Okay. So then you go like this and cut. And you can get the card any way you want to do it. Now, if you do go like this and give a card this way, make sure you don't go down too far because you don't want to give away one of those cards, okay? So I think a cut is easy because it's the bottom 4th. So if you just cut in the middle, there's no way you're getting that stack, okay? So here's the card. So I'll just set it here for a moment. It's the 4 diamonds for this trick. Okay, we'll put this on top. 4 diamonds goes on top right here. And then, of course, the stack is going to go right on top of that. So when I do the cut, these cards are going right on top of the 4 diamonds, okay? So then you go like that. So that's complete. The trick is all set up and done. Now all you got to do is fluff it up and do a little acting. So you do some cuts. Now you notice I cut to a club, which is what we want, but it happened right away. So I thought, I know approximately where they are. So we just keep going. And I'll find another club sometime here. I know again approximately, I cut to that 9 again, I don't like that. So then I go like this, and then I try to get closer this time. There you go. And this is interesting because it's the ace. So I just turn it over quickly, nobody notices the ace. And then I do a little bit of magic, and in this case, that was a bad in this case, this card tells me that this top card is the card we're looking for. But if it happened like this, let me give you an example. Let's say again, it was the 6 when I did the trick, but let's just say it's 10. So again, you do the last cut, it's a 10, you quickly flip it over, nobody notices the 10, and then you pause a little bit and get their mind off of that and start thinking about what we're looking for the card. So a few seconds here and then go, all right, we've cut those cards many, many times, picked a random card out of the deck and just again, fluff, 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 get their mind off it. And then you go, you know what? A little bit of magic. Whoosh. I know the 10th card is your card. So then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take your time, 6, 7, 8, 9, and for the first time, what was your card? The 4 of diamonds. And again, you see that, and then here's what's left. So hope you enjoyed the trick. It's an easy one. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a great day, and thank you very much.